Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Are raisins good for you? Raisins look very simple and unpalatable with their aged appearance and dry texture, but they are one of nature's healthier alternatives to those sugar-rich manufactured candies and sweet products. Raisins, also known as kismis in Hindi, endu draksha in Telugu. Raisins are beneficial not only for gastrointestinal problems but also for constipation. Here are the health benefits of raisins. Number 1. Help in digestion. Having a few raisins every day is good for your stomach. Raisins contain fibers that start to swell in the presence of water. These give a laxative effect to the stomach and help in relieving constipation. Also, daily intake of raisins keeps the bowel movement regular and the fibers help to keep toxins and waste products out of the system. Number 2. Reduce acidity. Raisins contain potassium and magnesium in good levels. These help reduce acidity and help remove the toxins from the system, preventing diseases like arthritis, gout, kidney stones, and heart diseases. Number 3. Help against anemia. Raisins have a good amount of iron and B complex vitamins in them, which help to treat anemia. The copper present in raisins also helps in the production of red blood cells. Number 4. Help prevent cancer. An antioxidant named catechin present in raisins helps in protecting the body against the free radical activity that can cause tumors and colon cancer. Number 5. Help treat infections. Raisins contain polyphenolic phytonutrients, which are well known as anti-inflammatory antioxidants. They exhibit antibacterial properties that help lower the risk of fever and kill the bacteria. Thus, having a few raisins a day can keep you safe from cold and other such infections. Number 6. Help reduce sexual weakness. Consumption of raisins is also good for your sex life. Raisins contain an amino acid named arginine, which increases libido and induces arousal. It is good for men and is used to treat erectile dysfunction. Also, the added energy of the raisins help your conjugal life. Remember the tradition in India where the new bride and groom are given in a glass of milk boiled with raisins and saffron. This is an age-old practice that validates the effectiveness of raisins. Number 7. For the eyes. Raisins are found to be rich in polyphenolic phytonutrients, which are antioxidants that help in keeping your eyesight strong. The antioxidants in raisins help in protecting the eyes by reducing the free radical action that weakens the vision and causes muscular degeneration as well as cataract. Number 8. For your weight management. If you are desperately trying to gain weight, then these raisins are your best friends. Raisins are rich in fructose and glucose and give you loads of energy. They will help you gain weight without accumulating bad cholesterol. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.